Så det är delar av Folkstaden som är kvar av städer.
Viršuliškių gatvė 69.
Okej. Och så är det Viršuliškės. Here one of the reps of Vilnius, Lithuania, and has 9 for here.
And staircase 1 to 36.
Yes, and was built in when?
1977.
1977. And it stays for persons of 320 rooms.
Yeah.
Amazing stuff, you know.
Yeah. But Viršuliškių gatvė 75 is the oldest original, here 1974, but we said actually until 1977.
Well, this is about one of
Yeah,
and next year the other.
yeah. Serial number is LF01038035.
Original.
Yeah.
Somebody.
Yeah. Only one right for me because somebody's coming. No.
That's it.
That's